All right, remove all plastic covering, expose the socket cap screws. Or what size it is. Find the correct size. You can pause it. No need to have it watch me remove all the screws. Once you have the 6 screws removed from this side, you can work your way onto the other side. There's another 6 screws that are on this plastic shield as well. Once you remove the 6 socket cap screws, go ahead and remove that. Be careful to keep mind of the gasket that is there so you don't lose it or damage it. And there's 4 more additional screws there that you have to remove. Make sure you place all screws into a basket so that they don't get lost. Remove this. Ensure when you're upon assembly that you put this back down in this direction, otherwise you will cause, what's the word I'm looking for? Here, go ahead, pause, I gotta think about the word. Upon reassembly, make sure you reinstall this in the correct orientation, otherwise you'll cause the air to not be able to flow out and cause your vacuum not to have proper pressure to be able to suck up powder. Move this plate here. Is that still in frame? Is this still good? No, not at all. There? Perfect. These really not sharp. You can release these. It's kind of hard to get a hold of them. Maybe not. There we go. Outside. There we go. You can begin to remove these. Just come off here. Just bound up just a little bit. There we go. There is a orientation for all of these. You can kind of see here. You have the blue on the outside edges. And you have on the corner, you have the black ones that don't have any vacuum that actually gets both of them. They're just a placeholder. But these blue top 2 middle, top 2 middle, top 2 middle, top 2 middle there. You can pause it. You can disassemble these. Just gotta pull them apart, like so. They come in 3 pieces. The black ones don't need to have any disassembly. They're all the way or disassembled as they are. Ouch. Shouldn't need any tools to disassemble those. You can remove these studs, and then you can remove this Allen socket cap screw that's back here to, it shouldn't have been this loose. I don't know how it got that loose. Just take this off the back here. This part does not get washed because it has pneumatic components on it, and so you don't want any water stuck inside those. But everything else will get washed as the normal routine of an allergen cleanout. You can go ahead and pause. You'll need a tool to remove these studs, but they're not. You don't have to put them on super tight, so they shouldn't be too hard to remove. That's it.